Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I'm from Indian guys. I am learning English. So guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video, I would like to share you some points and tips like how I learned English speaking. So guys, watch this video till then because this video is very helpful for beginners who are learning this language. So let's start. So the first main step is practice. I do my English practice every day. Even I do my English practice every single day. Even I have only 15 to 20 minutes. Then I do my English practice every day. I don't skip any single day. So it is very powerful and it is very helpful for me, and I improved a lot to practice every day. And the second step is shadowing. I do shadowing practice. I listen native speakers and I try to repeat whatever they said in their videos. I do this shadowing practice and it is really helpful, and it helps me a lot to improve my communication skill and fluency also. So that is why I do shadowing. And the next one is listening. I do my listening practice every single day because listening is also very much important and very helpful for everyone who are learning this language. Because when we listen English, so our mind also think in English, and thinking in this language is very important and very helpful. And the next one is speaking practice. I do my speaking practice every single day. Like whatever I listen, whatever I just listen in the video, I just try to speak in my own mouth. So it is very helpful. It is very uh, like uh, improve my communication skills. So that is why I just every day I do my speaking practice, because guys, uh, to become a fluent speaker, speaking is must. You have to speak 15 to 20 minutes every day. Whether you can speak with ChatGPT, you can speak with your friend and anyone who can do your speaking practice, but you have to speak every day. That is very important. And one more important thing is like you have to learn 5 new words every day. This habit improve your vocabulary. This habit increase your vocabulary. And when you learn some new words, new phrases every day, so and after that, first you learn, then try to use in your daily conversation. So it is very helpful. It is very important to do everyday practice, because guys, sometimes it happens like we want to speak more but we don't have a words to speak. So that is why I'm saying like you have to learn some new words, new phrases and new vocabulary. Then you have a schedule, you have a plan, and you have a topic to speak more every day. So that's how I do my English practice every day. And one important thing is like making mistake. I don't think about my mistake anytime, because making mistake, because we are a woman and we can do mistake. And so that is why I don't think about mistake, because making mistake is a part of learning. As I am learning this language, so I can easily do mistake, but after making mistake I just try to improve my mistake. I learn from my mistake. So that is very much important. That is a, like, we can say, positive attitude. If we are doing like this, so don't matter like we are making a lot of mistake and whatever. And one more important thing, guys, don't wait for a perfect. Don't wait for be perfect, because some people think like when I'll be perfect then I'll start speaking. So don't think like this, because no one is perfect in the world. So whatever you are learning every day, just try to speak. Just try to speaking practice every day, because speaking is the main important and which will help you to convey thoughts and conversation and your fluency, your way of talking. So that is why you have to speak every day. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you like this video, so don't forget the like button, and if you helpful this video, so watch this video till the end. And guys, keep learning, keep supporting to me, and don't think about mistakes. If you really want to learn this language, so you can start your journey from today. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.